welcome to my vlog. For today, it's been a while since I did a vlog. We are here at SMC site and guess what? We got some Krispy Kreme for ourselves because we are planning to do a video on donuts again. Guys, I'm so excited already to eat the donut kasi we got her dumating kami dito sa SMC side early purposely para makapili kami in all the flavors of donuts from Krispy Kreme. So, ayan, we are just going to stop by sa grocery para bumili ng drinks. I'm here with Sashi and Ricky. Ayan, see you later guys! Guys, so we're just stopping by here sa liquor and wine and area kasi, I don't know, weird si Ricky. Look like, ew. So we're done sa grocery, ayun nga, we're done sa grocery. Ayan na yung labas ng ng seaside. So we're just waiting for Ricky kasi bumili siya ng tapos naghintay din ako sa kanila na nag-CR sila. Tapos ngayon naman nag-stop over naman sa wine si Rocky. Kasi he said that he feels like it's like drinking wine. Hi, Te. Ate has a power. See you later. Bango. Guys, we're home. We got here mga 1:30 na. Medyo matagal. I was expecting na makakarating kami like mga 12 pa or mga ganyan, pero tagal namin. So I'm just quickly setting out this room para makapag-film na kami ng eating show. Ayan, ito yung makalat na studio natin guys. So there's my light there and I just transfer this from here to here para dito kami. Yeah. Dito na lang tayo ba no? Not there kasi dito kami. Tapos tinamad akong tanggalin tong bike ni Rocky. So dito na lang kami. There is our setup. Ayan, naka-on na yung electric fan because we don't have an aircon in this room. So ayan. So there are the donuts from Krispy Kreme, guys. Gabi, this is a 2 dozen donut. Kasi mas mura siya if you are going to buy 2 dozen, double dozen donuts. Yeah. Kasi, I don't know, I forgot how much is the price of each donut. Yeah. Depende kasi each flavor has different, tawag price. So, and there's my slipper. Ayan, I am so excited to eat now kasi I haven't eaten anything yet and it is already 2 in the afternoon. Ang tagal namin, tagal. Kumuha pa ng drinks sina Sashi and Baba and ayun, I'm so excited. I haven't eaten donut for like yung last na video namin, yun yung last time na kumain kami ng donut. Mga 2 weeks ago, ayan. And I really love donut guys. So I just quickly powdered my face kasi I was so sweating hard. Ayan, there is our setup there with our studio. And also a new anong tawag nito? Tripod. Ayan. From Benro. I got this one from Macy's here sa Cebu. Ayan. It's only 1.5 tapos hagol ako nila tapos plus 100. Ayan. So, and the next one that I'm going to buy is the stand nitong ring light ko kasi as you can see yung gamit ko is yung tripod lang ng camera yung ginamit ko sa ring light ko. So, next project natin is yung ring light naman na stand kasi medyo mahal. I think 1.9 yata. So, yan, hopefully mabili natin. Ayan. So excited. So friends, we are finally done with our video, yung Dunkin' Donut Krispy Kreme. So ayan, look at my face. Sa kaka-wipe ng ang lamig today. Grabe, I really like the weather today guys kasi it's so gloomy and a little rainy and ayan. So Here's what's left of our donut. Konti lang naman yung nakain namin. Obviously, hindi namin mauubos kasi it's 2 dozen donut. So, mga roughly, I guess, nakain namin mga, anong tawag niyan? Medyo mga half lang ng dozen ng donut. Tapos may mga tira-tira pa or, ayan, yeah. Hindi masyado. I thought na marami yung makakain ko but hindi talaga. It never happens. Usually, nasa nasa utak ko lang talaga na I thought na mauubos ko yung maraming donut. But when I started to eat na, hindi na yan nangyayari, guys. So, right now, we are going to watch a movie. Not a movie, a TV series, yung Designated Survivor. Yeah, because kagabi nanood kami and we finished 4 episodes already from the season 1 and we wanted to watch more pero it's already 12:30 na. Kailangan na namin matulog. It's already very late. So, ayan. So, I'm just going to quickly ano yung tawag niyan? Ano ba Tagalog niyan? Oh my God, I am so out of my Tagalog again. Oh my God. Mas liligpitin ko muna to tapos I'm going to prepare food for the dogs as well kasi it is already 3 para ayan, ma-marinate ko. So ayan, so we will see you later. Okay guys, so I'm just going to drink my coffee kasi after eating all those donuts parang parang I feel lethargic. Parang nag-sugar. I don't know, something. Pero ang sakit ng ulo ko. No, I want coffee in my life. And then, TMI. I went to the bathroom. CR. Because I want coffee. I haven't drink any coffee. You did not close the CR, bro. So, ayan. Oh, grabe. Parang, I feel so weird. Parang sumakit dito bigla. I don't know. That was so weird. Ayan, so I'm just going to quickly scratch this because we are also going to load some. And then I'm so excited na to watch Designated Survivor. Tanaw mo siya nako. Because you also want to watch, di ba? No. You are so ding ding today. No, may failure. You can show. Yeah, big body na ka! So guys, I'm just going to drink this coffee kasi tawag ko na pinapatunaw ba? Yung matigas na chicken. Yung ulam nila Miguel, hindi ko muna didisturbuhin si Miguel kasi hindi natutulog si Miguel sa gabi kasi natatakot siya sa sound ng mga frogs, guys. Yeah, pag nag-quack kasi rainy day na, 'di ba? Tapos
iba kasing klaseng quack.
Ang dami kasing different styles of froggy sound kaya natatakot si Miguel and he is shaking so much and hindi namin siya pwedeng ipasok dito sa loob kasi hindi na nakalimutan na nila paano umihi sa not gonna work anymore. That is too short, bro. Burp. Regat, yeah. Kasi pinaglalaruan din niya si Anma. Sabi niya, bakit may kalabaw talaga sa labas tapos si Rocky pala. So ayun, takot, kawawa naman si Miguel. Si Maui, takot lang si Maui sa rain and thunder. Ayan, pero pag nawalan na yung rain and thunder, sound asleep na si Maui. So si Miguel lang yung takot. So ngayon, Miguel is really sleeping kasi sa gabi. For the past 2 nights, hindi siya nakakatulog kasi natatakot siya sa mga palaka, yung sound ng palaka. Ayan. So, ayan. Yun lang. See you later.
Does Liam know that the president might not be his father?
It's been a whole week since Nassar confessed to the Capitol bombing. Where are we on our search?
Recent NSA chatter indicating new attacks both at home and abroad. Nassar could prove to be an extremely valuable source of intelligence.
I just need to have some stuff. Ding dong. Filler sa kasi ate, gusto din niya ipakita ang snack na corn beets. Tapos merong Coca-Cola is it while watching movie. Out TV series. Ate, ay cold. Nakita pa niya yung corn beef. Nakita corn beef.
Is there a timetable for this sort of thing? When can we expect some results? Well, maybe today.